In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is generative AI and how to use it. We'll explore what generative AI means in practical terms, and walk through how to turn it on and use it inside Salesforce, step by step, with a quick example you can follow. First, sign into your Salesforce account and head to your home page. From there, open Advanced Setup to access your admin and configuration tools. In the Setup search box, type Einstein Setup. Before we click in, here's a quick primer. Generative AI is a class of AI models that create new content, like summaries, emails, or answers, based on patterns learned from data. In Salesforce, Einstein Generative AI brings that power directly into your workflows so you can automate writing, summarize records, and get context-aware assistance securely within your CRM. Next, click Einstein Setup. This is where you manage the features and controls. Find the main switch for Einstein Generative AI and turn it on. If you're an admin, this is usually just a toggle. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions or to check your edition. Once it's enabled, return to your Salesforce home. Let's see it in action with a simple lead example. Click New to create a lead. For this demo, set the lead status to New so it's easy to track. Choose a salutation, such as Mr., then enter the first name, last name, and company. Add an email address as well. These fields are the essentials for creating a usable, routable lead in most orgs. When you're done, click Save. With the lead created, open the lead summary. This is one of the ways to use generative AI in Salesforce. The summary pulls key details from the record and related activity into a concise overview, saving you time when you're preparing to follow up. It's especially helpful if you're juggling many leads and need the highlights at a glance without reading every field or note. Now, try Ask Agentforce. This is another generative AI feature that lets you ask natural language questions about your records and get guided, contextual answers. You can use it to clarify details on the lead, surface recommended next steps, or draft outreach in your brand's tone. Because it's built into Salesforce, it draws from the data you're already working with, helping you act faster and with better context. That's it. You've enabled Einstein Generative AI, created a lead, and used Lead Summary and Ask Agentforce to work smarter. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.